Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Password. Now tap on Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Following that, you can disable or enable Rise to Wake by clicking on this square. And finally, select Get Started. Remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can adjust all of those options however you wish to, and even click on Set an alternate look. Then choose Get Started again and add your face data the same way. Now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you want to delete your face data, you need to access face recognition again, enter Screen Lock, and choose Delete Facial Data. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!